Today I'm going to show you how I made this macrame wall hanging. We're just going to jump right into it. The only thing I want to say first is if you don't know how to do one of the knots used in this tutorial, there'll be links to tutorials I've done for those knots. They will pop up on the screen or you can find them in the description below. So first, pick your dowel. Driftwood or wooden dowels are the most common things that people use. You want a piece that's about 53 centimeters or 21 inches. That does not need to be exact. You want to start by taking 4mm cord and cutting it into 8 3-meter lengths. You're going to attach those cords to the dowel using the lark's head knot. Attach those cords to the dowel using 2 groupings of 4. You want about 14 centimeters or 5.5 inches between the 2 groups of cords. Now we're going to do the diamond pattern. If you don't know how to do the diamond pattern, click on the link popping on the screen or see the link in the description below. So create your first diamond. To the right of this diamond, with 3 cords instead of 4 cords, make a square knot. So you're only going to have 1 cord in the middle of the square knot where normally there would be 2. Notice that I'm making it nice and snug. Now do another diamond. And now make a square knot with the 3 cords on the right. Do a third diamond. So you want to make this nice continuous line through the diamonds. So the one that is the continuous line is the cord you'll use as the filler cord when you're making the point of the diamond. Now do a mirror reflection of what we just did with the cords on the other side. I want this to be the continuous line, so this cord will be the filler cord. Now don't forget to do the square knot on the left side before you continue on to the next diamond. I'm doing the last square knot here on each side. So now it's time to join the 2 sides. We'll continue this row of double half hitches using the cords to the right. On this other side, we'll continue using all the cords to the left. Now we'll join the 2 sides together using the left cord as the filler cord. Do another row of double half hitches coming from each side. When you tie these ones together, this time use the right cord as the filler cord. For this last row, skip the first 3 cords and then do your double half hitches. And do the same thing from the other side. And this time use the left cord as the filler cord to finish the point. So now we want to cut cord to make the fringe. Cut 80 centimeter or 32 inch lengths. You want to cut 16 in total. Attach these cords to the loops on the outside of the diamonds using the lark's head knot. Do 3 on these ones and 2 on the top ones. And now we cut the fringe. The fringe is mostly hidden in the end, but it gives it more depth and dimension, and I think it looks more beautiful. So now we're going on to the next layer. Cut 3.5 meter lengths of 6mm cord this time. You want to cut 8 in total. Attach 4 cords on both sides of the existing layer using the lark's head knot. We're going to do the same diamond pattern now. Don't do the square knots on the outside this time. Continue to make 4 diamonds on each side. And now we're going to join the sides. The left side we're going to use as the filler cord. When I do this first knot, I make the first loop, pull it snug together, and then pinch it with my left hand and use my other hand to wrap the knot and then nuzzle it into place. Then finish the diamond. So we're gonna attach fringe to this layer as well. For the fringe, cut 56 centimeter or 22-inch lengths of cord. You will need 22 in total. Like last time, we'll attach 3 cords to these ones and then just 2 at the top loop. And the last step is cutting the fringe. I made this other one doing a weave on the outside layer instead of a square knot. If you'd like to do this, watch this tutorial next. If you make this piece, I'd love to see it. If you use Instagram, you can tag me there. Thanks for watching.